Hey everybody, long time no see, it's Work From Home Friday! So this is the first Work From Home Friday since I finished with Veda, video every day in April, and if you missed all of that, where have you been? Anyway, here's a link. Now I did self-impose some rules for Veda, and on a technicality, because of a slow YouTube upload, I missed one of my days where I uploaded after midnight. Now it could be argued this was a technicality, it was a technical issue or whatever, but I went ahead and offered myself up for some punishment. So today I'm going to fulfill my promise and do the punishment, which is to get 3 strangers to do the chicken dance with me. Excuse me, ma'am. Do you know the chicken dance? Can you show me the chicken dance?
No, I cannot.
You can't? What if I did it with you?
No, I am not going to do the chicken.
No?
No.
Okay.
Sorry.
That's okay.
I
Alright.
have a reputation to protect.
Well, I understand that. Can you help me with something? Do you know the chicken dance? You don't know the chicken dance? Can I teach you the chicken dance? You're good? You sure? It won't take me just a second. No? He's good.
Am I gonna be on TV?
On YouTube. You know the chicken dance?
Yes.
You do know? No, the chicken dance.
Clap. That's it.
This is the first part. Chicken, flap your wings, shake your booty,
Okay.
clap, clap, clap. All right, here we go. Thank you so much.
That look cute.
You look awesome.
High five. Awesome. You guys are the best. Thank you so much. You know what that means?